for children as it lays the groundwork for reading, writing, and communication skills. Mastering the alphabet helps kids recognize letters, understand their sounds, and eventually form words and sentences, fostering lifelong learning and comprehension. A is for apple. Hey kids, today let's discover the delicious fruit called an apple. Apples are crunchy and juicy fruits that come in different colors like red, green, and yellow. Now, let's spell it together. A-P-P-L-E. A is for airplane. Hey kids, let's talk about. An airplane is a big machine that flies in the sky and helps people travel to faraway places quickly. They have wings and engines that make them go fast through the air. Now, let's spell it together. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E. A is for alligator. An alligator is a large reptile with a long tail, sharp teeth, and tough, scaly skin. They live in rivers, swamps, and lakes. Now, let's spell it together. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. B is for banana. Alright kids, let's learn about bananas. Bananas are a yummy fruit that grow on tall plants in warm tropical places. Now, let's spell it together. B-A-N-A-N-A. B is for ball. Hey kids, let's talk about balls. Balls come in all shapes and sizes, and they're lots of fun to play with. Now, let's spell it together. B-A-L-L. Awesome B is for book. Hey kids, let's dive into the world of books. Books are special because they have pages filled with stories, pictures, and information. Now, let's spell it together. B-O-O-K. Great job. B is for bus. Hey kids, let's learn about buses. Buses are big vehicles that take people from one place to another. Now, let's spell it together. B-U-S. Awesome. C is for car. Hey kids, a car is a vehicle that people use to travel from one place to another on roads. It has wheels, a steering wheel, and an engine. Cars can go fast and carry people and their things. Now, let's spell it together. C-A-R. C is for chair. A chair is a piece of furniture that people sit on. It has a seat, a backrest, and sometimes armrests. Chairs can be made from different materials like wood, metal, or plastic. Now, let's spell it together. C-H-A-I-R. C is for cat. A cat is a small furry animal that many people keep as a pet. Cats are known for being playful and loving to chase things. Now, let's spell it together. C-A-T. Meet from next video. Goodbye, kids. Thanks for watching.